Hi, welcome back to another one of my videos. And today's video, I would just be riding around my neighborhood because now, we're still under like the coronavirus. Everyone is being, told to stay in their house. And if you live in a big city, it's very hard to, go outside and catch a breather. And I really pity everyone who's not able to go outside and take a breather because if you live in a big city and you're outside, your house, walking around and doing your exercises and everything, sometimes people might give you the look, the eye, like why you're not staying at home, and why are you putting not only yourself but everyone around you at risk. But the coronavirus has really brought out the worst in people, and we just gotta make the best use of what we can. And even though everyone is I don't think is experiencing the best of situations right now, I can only say that me too, yeah, everyone's affected. And if you stay at your home being locked up 24/7, it's gonna drive you insane at some point in time. But thank God I live way out in the woods. Now it's past like spring. It's like getting slightly a little bit warmer, and the trees and everything, the leaves are beautiful, green and everything. So where I am is not really a lot of people around. It's a smaller town up in the hills, and so today's a Sunday, so I decided to take my bike out, ride around this neighborhood for a little bit, not too much, because I don't want to wear myself out too much. And I got myself a new setup. Initially, I was recording this video 2 days back on a Friday, because yesterday, Saturday, was raining the entire day and couldn't do any video or riding. But the video I recorded on Friday wasn't too good, and I had to redo it today. But it's good, it gives me a reason to go out and ride around my neighborhood. At least I'm exercising or doing something. So yeah, this is the new setup that I got. I bought myself a chesty, not from GoPro obviously, but from this Japanese company called Glider Sports. And initially I was mounting the GoPro on this little chesty here with the GoPro facing up. And I went out, took videos of me riding around, and wasn't too good because the way it's being angled when I ride, I'll have to lean forward, and because the setup of the GoPro is in such a way that it couldn't go back anymore. So the entire footage that I got was just focused on the ground, and on the top tube of the bike you can't really see anything. So I only found out about that after I was editing the video on Friday night. So and I couldn't use any of the footage, so I decided to do another one today. And this time I mount the GoPro at the bottom, facing down, so I could tilt it up when I lean forward. At least it has a super wide view of the what is in front of my bike and the handlebar, and as opposed to looking down. I tried it out, but I reviewed the footage like 5 minutes ago. Not really satisfied with it. The reason is because this chest piece, when you mount it on the top, is pretty stable, because the top here and everything is secure, but the bottom here there's nothing to secure this bottom plate. So when you lean forward, it actually has a little bit of play, so it bounces around. So on really bumpy situations, I was actually I couldn't really get any decent videos, just bouncing around. But on smooth rides and everything, on tarmac, it's not too bad, but on bumpy rides, not good. So yeah, we're almost 5 minutes down to the video, so I'm not trying to bore you guys out, but yeah, it'll be the video of the bike of me riding around my neighborhood. That's about it. In the meantime, take care, and don't let the COVID-19 or the lockdown, the stay home, whatever it is that is gonna, don't let it get to you. Look on the positive side. do some YouTube videos. Check out my videos, subscribe my videos. You know, I got 1,000 subscribers now, so working on it. And next thing, I probably need like more hours to clock up, you know, decent amount of watch hours on my YouTube channel. Then I can start give back a little bit, by a little bit to the community. So I really need your help, support. Check out my videos, watch my videos, you know. If you can't watch it, just leave it playing, you know. That will help me clock out more hours. So yep, try not to bore you guys out too much. Take care, and I'll see you in future videos. See ya, bye.